Hi everyone, welcome to Robinson's World. Today, we are diving into a practical Python project, creating a program to search for words in a file. This is a handy tool for finding specific terms in text files, logs, or even documents. We will keep it simple, beginner friendly, and powerful. Let's get started. First, let's understand the goal. A file word search program scans a text file to check specific word or specific phrase is present. It can also provide details like the number of occurrences and line numbers where the word appears. For example, imagine you have a large text file and need to find every instance of the word Python. Our program will make it super easy. Let's get started by setting up the program. We will need Python's open function to read the file, a for loop to process lines, and some basic string methods for searching. This function does the heavy lifting. It reads the file line by line, checks if the search word is in each line, and prints the line number and the content if it's found. Next, let's allow the user to specify the file name and the word they want to search for. With these inputs, the program becomes flexible and user-friendly. The user can search any word in any file they provide. Finally, we'll call our function with the user inputs and test the program. Now let's test it. I'll use a simple text file named sample.txt and search for the word Python. Has become a favorite among the developers worldwide. This is sample. This is the text file. You can see Python here, Python here, Python here, like that many places. So that is mentioned here in line 3, 1, 3, 5, 9, 12 and the sentence where the Python is occurred. And here is what it looks like when the word is in found. So let's search some other word. Sample.txt will search for, I search for Google and this words Google was not found in the file. This is the message if the word is not in that text file or in that file. Now that you have a working program, here are some of the ideas to enhance it further. Allow users to search for phrases instead of single words. Add a feature to save search result to a file, new file, include the option to search multiple files in one go, display the total number of lines in the file as additional context. And that's it, a file word search program in Python that's simple, functional, and highly customizable. Whether you are a student or a professional, this tool can save your time and effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Robinson's World for more beginner-friendly Python projects. Got suggestions for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.